Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I can't believe it is April. I am filming this on April 1st. I'm really hoping to get this video up tonight on the 1st. Like, it'd be so much fun. But anyway, I am so excited because it is April 1st, which means that I'm going to be updating my project pan. And I feel like I had a really successful month in the month of March. And I feel like April is going to be also a really good month. April is going to be a very fun and refreshing month because I'm going to be rolling in new products and I am so excited. So without further ado, let's just get right into this because I know you guys want to see the progress just as much as I do. So the very first product we're going to talk about is probably one that I am so excited about. This is the e.l.f. matte setting powder and I finished it. I finished it today. So technically I did finish it in April, but I only had like a little bit left that I just dusted onto my hair as dry shampoo. That was kind of my plan and my intention, but I cleaned it. Like, it is done. I finished it and I'm so happy I did because now I can work on my Too Faced powder and I want to have one loose powder and one pressed powder in my collection. So I can't wait to just use up the Too Faced powder and then get two new powders. Like, I can't wait. So anyway, during the month of March, I ended up using this 11 times and then I did use it today. So technically I used it once in April, but this powder is so good for the price of it. It works so well and I do really love it. I think if I were to try the e.l.f. powder again, I would really want to try the Halo Glow, but for right now, I just want to finish my Too Faced powder. They have been in my collection for like a couple of years now. That's the only reason why I want to finish them. But I'm so happy that I was able to finish this. I loved it. It was worth the money. If you have oily skin, this would work really well. If you have dry skin, this does also work as well. But I really love this. So I'm so happy to roll this out, which means I can roll in a new product and this goes towards my empties. For this year, my plan is to either finish 11 or more makeup products, or I want to finish around the $200 mark. So here's an empty. Let's talk about the Merit Blush. The Merit Blush is a product that I really want to finish this year. I want to see how many uses I can get out of it in my project pan. So in the month of April, I ended up using it 8 times. I used it 8 times in April. I used it once today. So I used it 8 times in the month of April. And you can really start to see the dome is really starting to go down, and I actually started to use this a little bit as like a bronzer as well because it is a little bit more of a darker shade, so I was using it as a blush and a bronzer. I'm really excited to see how many times I can use this in my project pan to see if it is worth the money, but I can't wait. I think this is going to be a product where one day I use it and then I go, oh, I don't have much left, because I feel like every time I really look at it, like I do these updates and I really look at it, it's like there's less and less and less. So it's kind of crazy. I don't know how much longer I have with it. As long as I finish it in 2022, I'm good with it. The reason why I want to finish it this year is because I have another cream product that I want to work on, and cream products go bad quickly, so I do want to try finishing this year and then I can put it towards my empties. Let's talk about a product that I have a usage goal on, and this was actually my Nars Laguna bronzer. I had a usage goal for 7 uses and I used it 7 times in the month of March, which means I hit my goal. So I had a total of 7 uses to use on this, and then in March I needed to use it 7 times to roll it out, and I actually hit my goal. So I ended up using this 20 times in the project. It doesn't look like it because it was honestly brand new when it came in, and I don't use a lot of bronzer, so it's not going to look like there was really any progress on it, but I was able to use it 20 times. I use it as a bronzer and I use it as eyeshadow, and I'm really happy to be rolling this out because I do have other bronzers that I do want to play around with, and I'm happy that I was able to roll it in so that I could use it. Hopefully I can roll in a bronzer for this month so that I could work on something different, but I'm really happy to be rolling this out for the month of April. I ended up rolling this product in for the beginning of March. This is the Huda Beauty lipstick. Now I ended up marking on the back of the lipstick where it is, and my goal for the month of April is to either have it literally right at the bottom of the line or create a new line. I'm currently like in the middle of this line, so we'll see, but I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I have had this in project pans before, so there is usage on it. I ended up using this 11 times in the month of March, and in the month of April, I do actually want to try using it as a cream blush. I don't know how it's going to work. I would want to try using this alone or then maybe mixing it with my Merit one, but one day in April when I'm not really doing anything or going anywhere, I do want to give it a try to see if I can use it that way. The formula on this is starting to go. If I wear this by itself, it is really dry and it doesn't look as nice. So I do have to use this in combination with another lip product, but that's fine because then I'm getting use of 2 lip products. The scent on it is also starting to change as well. So I am really hoping to be able to finish this year. I just want to finish it right to like the stopper. I'm not digging down. I just want it to go flat. I'm really hoping to finish it before it goes bad, or I will just keep it in the project until this year is over. But like I said, my goal is to either literally be right at the bottom of the line or I want to make a new line. So fingers crossed. I do really like the color. What I've been doing is just dabbing it on and then using another lip product, and it's been working. So I feel like if I can use this maybe like once a day or once every other day, I'll be able to get good usage out of it. So I guess we'll see. I'm really excited to see if I'm going to be able to finish this full-size lipstick. I rolled in my Going Coconuts palette to use 23 times, and I am so excited to say that I only need to use it 7 more times, which is crazy. So I have a feeling in the month of April, I'm going to be able to hit that goal because I typically do my makeup about 7 times, and I have 2 markets that I'm going to be doing for my small business. So I already know that I'm going to be doing my makeup at least twice. So I have a feeling in April I am going to be rolling this out, and it's so nice to see that there is usage in this palette now. I did use this palette before, but it never really got like the love that I feel like it deserved. I really, really love this palette, so 7 more times is going to be really easy. I have a feeling I'm going to hit that pretty early on in April, but I am so excited that I only need to use it 7 more times. For the last product that was in my project pan for March is the Zoo Essence of Nature. Again, I only need to use it 7 more times in the month of April. Every single time I do my eyeshadow, I have been using these 2 every single time, and it's just a really nice shade. It goes really well with the Going Coconuts palette, and you can actually start to see, I don't know if it's going to pick it up on camera, but you can actually start to see like usage in it, which is pretty cool. So 7 more times for this. Again, it's going to be really easy, and I have a feeling these 2 are going to be rolled out pretty early on in April. That brings us to this part of the video. Because I finished one item and I hit my goal in the other, I am going to roll in 2 new products for sure. Now, depending on what I roll in, because these 2 are going to be done fairly quickly, I may roll a 3rd. So we're gonna see what rolls in for 1 and 2. If I feel like I'm up for a 3rd product, I'll roll in a 3rd. But as of right now, I have my Huda Beauty lipstick in here to finish. I have my Merit blush in here to finish. And I only have 7 more uses on both of these. So let's grab my Tiny Decisions app and randomize 2 new products, and we'll see about a 3rd. So if you're new to my channel, I have all of my makeup in the Tiny Decisions app, and I will just generate a random product from my collection to work on. Then I will decide if it's a finish goal, a usage goal, or a hit pan goal. So let's open up Tiny Decisions and go from there. Oh, okay, this is gonna be really fun. I have my first product. Let's do the second, and then I will tell you. Okay. Okay, so that's already in here. The Merit blush is already in here. So let's Oh, okay. 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 So the Tiny Decisions app generated the Merit Beauty lipstick in Baby, which I am obsessed with. I love this lipstick so much. Since I did receive it from Merit, all I've been wanting to do is wear this, but because I have been working on this lipstick, I haven't worn it as much as I wanted to, so it's going to be really fun to have this in my project pan so that I feel like I can wear it. Like, I know I can, but I can wear this. I can combine them. If I want to wear this alone, I can. If I don't want to wear this, I don't have to. So I'm going to generate a usage goal for this just because it's literally brand new and my goal is to finish this one, not this one. We're going to generate a usage goal for the Merit lipstick in the shade Baby. I like to do a number from 1 through 30. I feel like then if I were to literally use the item every single day of the month, then I could roll it out. So let's do 1 through 30. We'll see what the usage goal is. 3. Okay, that's going to seem a little bit low, but it's not, because I'm currently working on this to finish. I want to use this 3 times in the month of April, and it actually chose another lipstick. So there's going to be 3 lipsticks in this project pan for the month of April, which I'm up for the challenge. I'm up for this challenge. So 3 times, yes, it's a low goal, but I'm able to use it 3 times. I'm still gonna work on this one, and then I'm gonna roll in this Tom Ford little mini sample lipstick. I love this lipstick. It's so, so cute, and the red is so pretty. And this is Baby. For the Tom Ford lipstick, we're gonna do another usage goal because I don't wanna like finish 2 lipsticks, so we're gonna do 1 through 30. And it says shake. Does that work? No. 16. Okay, that's why I'm glad that the Merit one is only 3 uses. So 16 uses for my little Tom Ford lipstick, 3 uses for my Merit lipstick, and finishing the Huda Beauty lipstick. I know that this kind of seems a little bit crazy, but I actually have quite a few lip products in my collection, and I have a feeling this is going to be fun to work with and play around with. So we're gonna keep that. I am really gonna challenge myself in the month of April to use this 3 times. I'm gonna see if I can use this 16 times, but this may be in here for like 2 months, and we're gonna play around with this. Maybe I can use this as a cream blush to get a little bit more use out of it. These are the 2 roll-ins. I'm gonna roll 1 more product, but if it's a lip product, I'm not going to include it. So let's see what the product would be if I chose 1 more, because it's a lot of lip products and I kind of want something else. But if I roll another lip product, I won't include it. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, this is gonna be really fun. So this is gonna be a really fun April. My Tiny Decisions app chose the Tati Beauty palette, which I'm really excited about because I haven't played around with this palette a lot. I love this palette though. Like, I have used it, but this year I haven't touched it. So it is going to be fun to play around with it, and I'm so excited to. So I really can't wait to get in here and use this. And this is going to be a usage goal again. I don't really want to focus only on like 1 shade to hit pan on when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, unless it's a shade that like already is starting to get pan. Let's generate a usage goal on how many times to use this because I am so excited. April is going to be a very challenging yet fun month. So 1 through 30, 24 times. This is gonna be in here for like 2 or 3 months, and I'm really excited. It's also going to pair well with my single eyeshadows and my Going Coconut. Oh my goodness, okay. I am looking at all of my items for my project pan, and this is like a little bit crazy. So I'm going to be working on the Merit blush. I have the single eyeshadow from Zoo Essence, which I have 7 more uses. I have the Going Coconuts ColourPop palette for 7 more uses. I have the Huda Beauty lipstick in here until it's done. I have the Merit lipstick in here for 3 uses. And I have the Tom Ford lipstick in here for 16 uses? I believe it was 16 uses. And then I have the Tati Beauty palette in here for 23 uses. So I have a lot of eyeshadow and lipsticks in here, but that being said, I actually do have a lot more lip products and palettes, so it does make more sense why those are chosen out of everything else. So I think April is going to be a very fun month because I actually have a little bit of like a variety in here. Like I know there is a lot of lipsticks and I know there is a lot of eyeshadows, but it's not going to be me doing the same looks, which is the 2, right? So now I have a whole palette. It's not going to be me only wearing 1 lipstick. I literally have 3 to choose from. So I'm really, really excited. The only 2 products I have in here to completely finish are these 2, which I don't think is going to happen for April. I don't think these are going to be finished for like a few months. So I don't think I'm going to finish any products, but I do have a feeling I am going to be able to roll out a few usage goal ones. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys are working on. I feel like April is going to be just a really nice refresh and it's going to be really, really fun. And I hope that I can continue on this fun project panning journey. If you're doing a project pan, let me know what you're working on or what you've recently finished. And I will see you in May. Wow, that's crazy to say. I will see you in May with the updates. Fingers crossed, it's good ones. Bye.